First off, let me put out a disclaimer. If you're doing it, go outside because some shit is about to alright. My nigga, you came all the way from your creed in Juarega down to Ikoyi to spit some crap. But well, I came from the mainland to the highland, not to rap, just to stand in your face and say some shit that's gonna make you mad. What's up? Stop acting like a gangster, cause your friends know you soft and tender. You look like a man, but really you're a bitch, cause your mom is not sure about your gender. I got a gun so big, it will bring a bitch out of a nigga like Bruce Jenner.
Nice one.
Nigga, what did you study in school? You should have studied law, cause that's the only career that will allow you to wear a wig and a gown like a transgender. I got another gun, not so big, I call it the hypotech, cause we beat face to face, you can lead your soul from grass to grace. Point the gun at your African queen. In her face, it's gonna look like she has two faces. Okay, scratch that. Suckers like you think goals are punchlines. But like a linesman, I'm always at the sideline, doesn't mean I don't know how to ball. I come on your defense with mercy and make your defense fall. But wait, I have no mercy. I leave his face bloody and messy like fucking his girlfriend while she's doing the menses. And that's a bloody fuck. Stabbing with cutlery, that's blood on a fork. My attitude is virgin, I don't give a fuck. But if your girl comes behind your back, I will fuck her behind your back in her back.
Age.
Y'all tell me, because he dabbled front, one punch will make him dabble in front. His face swollen. It's gonna look like he has a double front. I'm graphic with words, that's a double front. Any Liverpool fans? I'm not a one-man army, so I never walk alone. But he's a scatter, a fool. So I take an organ from his chest. What's that? Liverpool. Bogobiri has a strict policy. No smoking of weed or cigarettes in here. But my nigga, nobody said nothing about smoking you. You see, this ass whooping is gonna remind you all a little about Facebook. How I'ma choke this nigga till he look effing blue. Now.
Go on now.
That wasn't stolen, my nigga. Now. Don't cut me off. Don't write me see my lines. You're making me forget my shit. Bogobiri has a strict policy. No smoking of weed or cigarettes in here. But nobody said nothing about smoking you. You see, this ass whooping is gonna remind you all a little about Facebook. How I'ma choke this nigga till he look effing blue. Now you called me on Twitter saying it's gonna be a homicide. Well, that much was effing true. But you left out the most important part. It's your death. If you make it to a third round, Jesus is gonna have to come down and rescue you. See, my nigga, I have no idea who the fuck you are. You look like a motherfucking nerd, bitch. Cause you rap don't mean you fly. Look, fam, you just put a scarecrow outside and chase away niggas like this bird, bitch. And if you make, nah, chill, if you make it in, I'ma have you behind more bars than a convict. Faggot ass nigga. I'm sure you drop the soap on purpose just to escape any conflict. Niggas are doubting me now. Imagine that doubting me, hating on my ball pen game, saying I got some kind of ghost rider. Well, that's true. You ask who it is, I point guard. Tony Parker. Oh, your stupid ass didn't know me proper. I'm that nigga that gets to pop you. Tonight, I'm gonna be this homie's father. When I stepped into DDTM, I put a mark on T. Headshot. I took out Mr. Markin. I body bagged Sadiq. Now his remains cannot be traced. Say something foul. Fuck a punchline, nigga. I'm gonna punch you right in the face. You know what? Let's just end this round right now. Let's end this round. Let's get this cool.
Genius.
My nigga.
The genius.
I went all the way to San Vista Forest to get me a bomb and a detonator. I put the bomb on him, went 8 miles like Eminem. I click on the detonator. Guess what? The bomb didn't work. Do you know why the bomb didn't work? Because his career is never destined to blow up. My nigga, your career cannot blow up if you chew TNT and drink dynamite. Your career cannot blow up if you work for NASA and they put you in a nuclear warhead. The only way your career can blow up is if your mom, auntie, sister, grandmother, dead or alive gives you a blowjob.
Oh, fuck, man.
Okay, in your last battle with C-Mac, you said some bars that are shaky. Like for instance, he said his weapon is like a selfie stick, the way it takes shot from a distance. You remember? My nigga, I like that bar, but I was thinking about it. If your weapon is a selfie stick and you're about to take a shot, who is the target? Not your enemy, not your opponent, yourself. That is when you're writing that part, you're thinking about killing yourself. But that's not the first time he was having suicidal thoughts. Because around March 2012, he was crying on Facebook because someone was fucking his girl in her throat. My nigga, you sell jerseys but you don't know how to play games. You sell jerseys but you don't know how to play games. I got some game lines for you. If this mortal wanna come back, but his game is hollow. Any battle I'm armed for, call me Goro. I got a big dick. I'm half man, half horse. That's Montaro. Kill blade coming out my arm. That's Bawaka. You got only 2 fans. It's Kitana. Okay. The reason your girl.
Genius.
Yo, listen. Everybody here should know I don't freestyle. But I've got an awkward relationship with my pen, and when I start to write, that's how we come. Now with that being said, if you rap at me wrong, I'm gonna bring an origin to your head. Now that's how I read, buddy. Femi called me last month and was like, yo, what do you think about battling the genius? I said I was never worried, because this battle rap thing is like a football game, and I'm a never murder. But before I leave, I pull and give this player the best shot in the game. Jamie Verdi, headshot. Nigga, you leave it in a body bag. Fuck it, dirty. In the next half hour, you're gonna get ate up like it was 7:30. This battle I should have passed. Your rap style total trash. You having balls like saying Mikey Cyrus has a ass. We are not on the same level or in the same class. Say something stupid and my punch will have you seen stars like you had a backstage pass. Niggas hating me. I guess they don't seem to really understand. Balls are still got more metal on me than a decorated military man. I'm just saying. My punch like Cyclone in a bikini. Nigga, I drop jaws. Anybody here think this nigga winning? This nigga done for, because I'm a sore loser. If I lose, he'll be here with more sores. Nigga, don't think you can rock with me, because when I give my niggas the cue, they let that case spit with absolute killing instincts. I'm top dog. In case you already get that, that's J-Rock, Schoolboy Q, K-Dot, Absol, Top Dog, nigga, that's top rhyming. Because I got bald head with facial hair on me, my rap style is common. Now this it doesn't mean my rap style is common. In this field, I'm a top problem. Vagina face, you probably know the taste of a fucked condom. I can kill any nigga a cappella, or even if a beat drops. Or maybe you can have your niggas clapping behind you, or maybe fans can call El Richie for that beatbox. Either way, nigga, I'm making you feet to feet like a pair of Nike flip-flops. Let me get my bar done, man. Let me get this shit done. Let me get it. I think running that schemo. That schemo.
Man, this is crazy.
Hey yo, the difference between me and you. Hey yo, the difference between me and you are a good rapper, but I'm a bad rapper. When I rap, I'm a god, because even Muslims will say, Allahu Akbar. But when you rap, even Muslims won't Allahu Akbar. Okay, fuck punchlines, fuck metaphor, this is what I call scheming. Me and my crew with fidelity, because we keep our words. But you lack heritage, so you don't have the access to be a boss. Your girl, you can't sexually take her to the sky, so when I fuck that, she echo. The genius, your dick is fine. Fidelity, heritage, access, echo, those are all bands. I'm gonna bring that shit back and do a whole nother scheme with it. Your girl is a virgin. Your girl is a virgin, so I first bank her. Because I got a diamond that entices her. You be a broke ass nigga because you can't surprise her. Me and my crew, we union bank bitches whose pussies are tighter. Your girl guarantees short like bang roll because my dick is larger. First bang to UBA, winning this battle is a short banker. I'm so mean, man. I can kill with one phrase in 3 lines. Like, let's use the word like steal a fan. Your dad was so broke, so he had to steal a fan. I like your rhymes, but you like my rhymes also, so you're still a fan. Stop acting like your girlfriend name is Pamela. Our real name is Silipa. Okay. I'm Imperial, 5 mic material. Call me the genius, cause rap got me serious. Punchlines and drop is gonna get you nervous. Feeling me? That's impossible, cause I'm not nervous. They tell me to move. You did Jones, eh? Go get him. Yo. Get him, G. You need to check out our resumes. I'm the bar king, but nobody knows who the fuck you are. Me beating you was just another tombstone to be raised, but if you beat me, you instantly become popular. I mean, fans might invite you into the inner circle. You and Maxie might become best of friends. Nigga, you might get laid tonight. Fuck you probably get a call from the president. I swear. But I'm not allowing that kind of bullshit. Because I put work in this bitch. Night in and night out. Fusing the perfect words. When I start writing, my mind down. My bars are occupied by punchlines and gun bars. The way I write this, my mind's out. Nigga, think Mike Tyson. Because when I start to writing, lights out. Wait, that bar didn't come off tight, so I have to click back in. Just give me a minute. Let me get my shit back. I'm fucking up right now. I'm losing my shit right now.
Cheer him up.
Nice one. A round of applause for them, please. It ain't easy. Check out DoNotDropTheMic.com so you guys can vote who you think won this battle tonight. That boo versus see already angry there. 2-1, 3-1. Go outside.
Genius, get out.
Okay, up next.